Hey, what's up, guys? If you like this little mini course that I'm doing, give it a like, subscribe. I'm going to be trying to make some more stuff and also just getting into the code and nitty gritty. Yeah, shout out to my pastor who's also a software developer. He made this class, right? We're having this class at church. It really motivated me and inspired me to make a little course and share my knowledge instead of just sitting on it, not doing anything with it. I also had a friend that mentioned how if you don't really do anything with this knowledge, it's just gonna go to a waste, right? So I wanted to give back to the community, give back to people that I owe it to. Also, my friends and family are interested in this type of stuff. Just kind of share my knowledge and help them out. It took me so long to know this stuff. So to help other people get the knowledge that I took forever to get, I just want to kind of make these few videos and help you out. Best thing to do is to then share this knowledge, right, with somebody else and then do something with it. So I hope it's a help to you. And yeah, thanks for watching the series.